everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira, and for today's video, we are going to be organizing / decluttering here in my bedroom. Actually, it's kind of tidy if you look at it, but beneath those drawers. So let me show you the state of my room. Hi guys! Okay, so actually last week I did this closet, so now I wanna clean out what's on top of it, which are my pop collection. I mean, wala akong papamigay dyan. Pero what I'm gonna clean is the one behind it. Kasi guys, ang dami pa dyang mga dolls or laruan na hindi ko na siya ginalaw ever since. Like, tinakpan ko na lang ng pop para hindi ko na makita. And another thing is this cabinet. Before, actually, room to ng parents ko and ako. So, nung lumabas na sila dito sa kwarto na to, may mga naiwan pang gamit. And dyan ko siya stinoff. And ever since naglipat sila ng kwarto, never ko na tong ginalaw. And now, I really want to like clean it para magamit ko din tong cabinet na to for my storage. Here's the rest of the room. It's alright, pero ayun nga, sa drawers, ayan, medyo magulo na siya. These are like my stationery, whatever. Next drawer, ayan, we have more papers na feel ko yung iba dyan kailangan ko nang itapon. This last one are my books. Love my books, but I'm thinking kung pwede ko siya ilagay dun sa cabinet para lahat na ng books ko nandun. Kasi medyo hiwa-hiwalay pa yung iba kong books. Mayroon siya dito sa drawer. This drawer naman, on top are like my gadgets and important notebooks. On the second one is like my stock drawer. The third one is where it gets a bit random. Mga notebooks din, ganyan. And may books din ako dito, alam ko. And lastly, ito, sobrang bigat nito. Mostly photo albums nga. So, bumibigat siya. Kaya medyo nasisira na siya. Pero kaya gusto ko siyang ilipat. Here on my vanity, I really want to purge na the makeup that I don't use or yung mas malala, mga expired makeup. Kasi hindi rin naman siya okay sa skin ko. As in, like, yung mga tipong years na talaga. Maybe fix these drawers a little bit and as well yung, ayan, sa baba. So, that is my room and without further ado, let's get started with the cleaning process. Woo! I had to stop for a while kasi hindi ko naabot yung mga nasa dulo. Pero I want to show you kung ano itsura ng mga nandun. It's so dusty, guys. Dust accumulation is real. Grabe. That's what happens when you don't clean things na hindi mo abot. Yung aking sketch model from thesis, if you remember. Grabe yung dumi. I also have these dolls na parang collection ko of Barbie dolls. Pero hindi ko kasi sila ma-display talaga kasi nga kapag nakabukas, edi madudumihan lang din sila. Okay, so this is an Audrey Hepburn doll. Oh, she's so pretty! And then this is a recreation of the first ever Barbie doll. Ayan. Yan yung first ever Barbie doll, guys. Nakatingin pa siya sa gilid. Itong dollhouse na to, ito yung gusto ko na ipamigay. I'll see what other dolls I have there. Baka pwede ko na itapon yung boxes para mas lumuwag siya.
Walang pangkuha si ate mo eh. Kaya walis na lang yung ginamit. Oo. Maulag!
Talino mo, ikaw nagsuggest ng walis eh.
Eh, kasi mahaba eh. Maraming init dito ah. Di mo magala, stuck na dyan! Kaya mo yan. Habutin niya.
Kaya mo! Woohoo! Ayan, okay. So, nababa ko na sila. Nalinis ko na yung taas ng closet ko. And now, I actually bought these from Shopee. I'll link it down below. So, storage box siya. Pinili ko to para dito ko na lang ilalagay yung ibang dolls or yung ibang stuff din na dito sa kwarto ko na pwede ko na ilagay doon. At least, nasa loob sila ng box. So, di na sila maaalikabukan. Papalitan ko din naman tong bedsheet mamaya. So, okay lang kahit madumihan. So, first, Bratz Babies. Alam nyo guys, nung bata ako, I really collected Bratz dolls. Kaya puro Bratz yung nandito. And then, nung tumanda lang ako, tsaka lang ako naging into Barbie. Kaya most of my Barbies are like collector's edition. Ew! Dumi pa rin nila. Gotta wear this mask. Princess dolls! This one is probably one of my favorites. Princess Annalise from Princess and the Pauper, which is objectively the best Barbie movie ever. Next up up, let's find out what's inside these cabinets. Alam ko tanggalable naman tong glass, whatever. I guess, never ko pa na napakita sa inyo. Pero ayan yung laman niya. Puro mga stuffed toy, tas yung mga lumang figurine na mga souvenir, gano'n. Some magazines and some few photos. I think yung mga stuffed toy, pwede ko siya ilagay doon dyan sa storage box para doon na lang siya sa taas ng closet. Oh my gosh, and this is me when I was in prep. Yikes. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay, so it's been like an hour or so, and let me show you yung progress. So, first, ito na yung cabinet. Hindi ko na masyadong pinakita to kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-interesting. But anyways, I've managed to put them all into just these 4 boxes. I don't know. And then yung iba is nilagay ko dito sa storage box na to. Ito yung mga hindi masyadong babasagin, ganun. Now, I have these other 4 boxes where I can put, like, I think I'm gonna put there my books. Ayan, naglabas na ako nung iba. Ito yung mga yearbooks ko dati. And then, this one din, napuno na to. Puro stuffed toy naman ito. I need to put away those as well. Yun yung puro dolls. Yung mga ito is mga papamigay ko na. And here is my first ever Bratz doll who's just chilling over there. Yeah, that's the progress. And, okay, tuloy na natin to. Wonder what magazines are in here. Tingnan natin. Yes, of course, magazines from my Aldab face. O, diba? Hindi rin ako fan. Hindi rin halata. And, a few candy magazines na natira sa akin. Yung diploma ko, okay, alagaan mo naman, Moira. Tada! This is my diploma. Hindi ko matandaan na ganito yung itsura niya. Moving on to this drawer muna. So actually, itong first drawer, okay na naman ako dito kasi ito talaga yung pinakagamit ko since nandyan nga yung mga gadgets and wires. Ito, okay din ako na stock drawer siya. Pero siguro tanggalin ko to, lipat ko ng ibang drawer. Then ito, ayan, nawalan na siya ng mga gamit. Kasi ibang books and notebooks, nilipat ko na dun sa cabinet. As well as dito sa last, lumuwag na din siya. So, I think I can rearrange a bit. I think this one is gonna be like a crafts drawer. Ganon. Kasi nandito yung mga scrapbook things ko, stickers, ganon. I am ready na itong mga boxes ilagay na dun sa taas ng closet. But first, I'm going to label them, diba? Para organize tayo. So, I got this label maker also from Shopee. I'll link it down below. Gonna put toys, T, O, Y, S. Choose scissors. Dahil, yay! I have a label that says toys. Then, I'll just put that here. Okay, gawa din tayo for dolls, tsaka yung souvenirs. Oh gosh! Kaya ko to! Abot ko to! Yay! Actually, kasya pa dun no, sa taas. Ganit pa kaya akong box. Okay guys, itong sketch model ko from my thesis, nirap ko na siya in plastic para hindi na siya alikabok at alikabukan. Meron pa kasing natitirang onting space dito sa likod, so I'll just slide that right there. Yay! Then, yung dolls na lang. Yan! Ayun! Tapos na ako dito sa taas ng aking closet. And then, for the cabinet, I think I'm okay with this na. So, again, itong 4 or halo-halo na like from souvenirs, pictures, ganyan, mga lumang stuff. And then, dito nilagay ko lang yung iba kong DVDs or books or whatever na kasya pa. Photo albums. Dito sa baba, tong 4 are gonna be my books. So, ayan na yung mga libro ko, my collection. Nung nilagay ko siya dito, parang onti pa pala ng mga libro ko. Anyways, and then dito yung mga magazines as well as some diplomas and more photo albums. For this one naman, is isang book pa lang yung meron dito. So, I'm planning to buy more books this year. Pero for now, ginawa ko muna siyang antibacteria drawer. So, may alcohol, may face shield, wipes, and then dito yung mga mask ko and extra tissues. So, balik na natin yung cover nito. Yay! O, diba? Parang wala lang nangyari. So far, ito yung mga pamimigay ko na. Ayan din. And then, yan yung basura. I think tutuloy ko na lang to bukas. Onting drawers na lang naman. Carry naman siya like kalahating araw lang. Anyway, see you tomorrow! Day 2, and now we are going to be tackling my vanity and yung mga makeup and skincare. Dito ko nilalagay skincare ko and some makeup products. Ayan. Hindi ko na sila lahat nagagamit. So, okay lang na may mga ipamigay ako or itapon na if expired. Also have some makeup here and over on this drawer as well. Also guys, before ko makalimutan i-discuss, kasi nakalimutan ko siya sabihin kahapon, I think this is gonna come out Feb 27, 28. So, the next week, which will be the first weekend of March, I'm going to be selling my clothes. Konti lang naman sila. If you remember from the last video, I did a closet clean out. And then ayun, a lot of them are still in good condition. So, yeah, I'm gonna be having an online sale on my Instagram. On my second account, moira.ootd. You can go follow that. You can also follow That's Moira, yung main account ko, for updates as well. The prices of the items just range from 50 pesos, as in 50 pesos to around 350 pesos, ganon. Merong isang 450, pero pantalon kasi siya. If you wanna check that out next week, again, head on over to my Instagram. But anyways, let's get cleaning again and again and again. Yeah, I kinda organized off camera kasi sobrang Tetris talaga kapag drawers, so medyo naasar ako. But it's fixed now. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung after. Here is my skincare and makeup. Ayan. Yan na talaga lahat ng lipsticks ko, guys. Sobrang lumuwag siya. On the first drawer, you have itong Sirang Contour Palette and then all the little things, yung mga maliliit na makeup items. And then here we have mga concealers, eyeliners, and for eyebrows. And then lastly, we have yung mga blush, bronzer, and highlighters. And then for the drawer under the vanity, we have, tada! Medyo maayos na siya kahit papano. For this drawer, na ano ko na siya for sunglasses and for my hair accessories. Hindi yun halata na mahilig ako sa scrunchies ngayon. Then on the other side, we have ito yung lalagyan ako ng earrings. And then dito sa likod, actually, maluwag pa siya. Oh. And then for this drawer, let's start from the very bottom. These are just some random stuff. Mostly Coke bottles na limited edition or something. And next drawer, these are my cleaning supplies. And then this one is more of stock. Kasi stock drawer lang yan. And then sa taas is my other makeup. Pinuksan ko na yung lalagyanan ko ng mga palettes. Ayan, para lahat nakikita ko na. So these are my lashes. These are makeup removers na sa likod din, palettes, and these are my makeup brushes. So I was able to clear out 1, 2, and 3 pouches. Pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung sa drawer na to. Hindi ko ata napakita kahapon yung after niya. First drawer na gadgets, hindi ko yan masyadong ginalaw. Next is my other stock drawer. Ayan, mas marami itong laman. Third drawer is more of like my crafts. So, there's like extra notebooks. Ito mga washi tape yung nasa loob. Label maker, sewing kit, ribbon, Mr. Kate beauty marks. Ayan. And then the last drawer is mga souvenir books from like musicals na napanood namin, and then just random stuff. I have 7 different pencil cases na iba-iba din laman. I mean, yeah, it's kind of organized. Medyo tinatamad na ako, 10 PM na guys. Okay, let me show you a little something. So these two are notebooks that I've compiled. This was my notebook nung college, and then pagka-graduate ko, kinompile ko na dito lahat ng notes ko on architecture so that once mag-review na ako for board exams, oh my God! gosh! Naka-ready na siya. Wow. My other notes are also here. Ayan, naka-envelope na din siya. Ready to go na. And this last one, wala na siyang laman. Well, dito ko muna nilagay yung photo album na malaki for the meantime. But basically, I got a free drawer from all the cleaning. Yay! So yeah, ang ending, may nahanap akong Christmas lights that should definitely be in our Christmas storage. And then this paper bag are all the expired makeup or whatever na itatapon na because that's not good to use. Meron akong na ano dito na maliit na pwede pang ipamigay. And yeah, nakakapagod talaga maglinis pero at least bit more organized na yung aking kwarto. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next and I hope to see you next time. Bye!